Hey, 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 you missed me, right? That's why you're here. I know. All right, let's get to it. Hey, listen, today we're going to find missing angles in triangles. And I already have some information on here, so go ahead, feel free to pause the video and write this down, all right? Are you back? You haven't paused it yet? Oh, okay. Some of you have. All right. Hey, today we're going to find missing angles, right? Inside triangles. The first thing you should know is this right here, that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. So that means if I add here x plus y plus z, it will equal 180 degrees. In fact, you should write that down. That was x plus y plus z equal 180 degrees. All right, 180 degrees always, no matter what type of triangle it is. It could be a right triangle, it could be a isosceles triangle, it could be an equilateral triangle. Whatever kind of triangle you have, the inside, the angles inside will always total up to 180 degrees when you add them up. Okay, so that's the most important information you must know in order to find the future values. So let's go ahead and find some angles. So right here we have a triangle, as you can see. Actually, let me bring this one down right here. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it doesn't bring it down. Okay, so it doesn't bring it down. So let's focus on this one. All right, so we have a triangle. We have an x, we have an 89, and we have a 71. What is the measure of this value of x? This is so simple, you probably already understand it. If you do, pause the video and see if you can do it. If not, keep watching. Here we go. So I'm gonna follow the rules I just explained right now. X plus y plus z equals 180. So in this case, it would be x plus 89 plus 71 equals 180 degrees. That's it. Now all I have to do is add them. So let's combine these. That's 89 plus 71, 90, 160, I believe. It sounds correct in my head anyway. So 160 equals 180. And this is where your 1 and 2 step equation solving skills come in handy. So right now you should know that all you have to do is subtract 160 to both sides. Now we have x equals 20 degrees. That is the value of x. So x right here equals 20 degrees. If that's true, that means I should be able to add all these and it should equal 180. Well, we already said that 89 plus 71 was 160, right? So therefore 160 plus 20 is 180. All right, that's all there is to it. This is how we find missing angles inside triangles. So let's go ahead and do this one. If you think you already got it, give it a shot and be careful, right? Pause the video and come right back. Did you try it? You're just watching me. All right, let me walk you through it. Here we go. So again, same principle. X plus, in this case, 55 plus what? The left one blank. The left one blank. What? Oh, no, they didn't. This is actually a right angle, right? And we all know that right angles create a 90-degree angle. So this one that I thought was missing is actually 90 degrees. All right. So now that we got that, we know that all of that will equal 180. And once again, we'll just follow the process. 90 plus 55 should be 145, and that's plus my x equals 180. Let's go ahead and subtract the 145 from both sides. Now, I understand you may be quick to grab the calculator and start plugging in numbers, but I suggest you do what I'm doing. It'll give you good practice on solving one step and two step equations here, so you don't forget how to do them. So x has a value of 45. I almost messed that up, didn't I? It's not 45. Isn't it 35? So 35 degrees. So X has a value of 35 degrees. So this angle right here is 35 degrees. Now, if you add 35 plus 55, 35 plus 55 plus 90, it should equal 180. Hey, it's this simple. It's not that math is so simple. It's just that I make it simple just for you. All right. Hey, I didn't know I had another one. Lucky for us, we got another one we can solve. Let's get to it. The measures of the angles of triangle ABC are in the ratio 1 to 4 to 5. What are the measures of the angles? This is where my equation writing skills come in handy. So let's check it out. So we have basically a triangle. It doesn't say what kind of triangle. It doesn't matter what kind of triangle. Not this fancy one anyway. So we have one angle that has a ratio of 1, right? A ratio of 1. Well, 1 what? Well, I don't know. So that'll just be X. Okay. And then we have one that's to the ratio of 4. Well, for what? For X, because I don't know. It's the unknown. And then, of course, the other ratio would be 5. Yeah, you guessed it. You're on it. 5X. Now it's starting to make sense. So that simply means that if I take X plus 4X plus 5X, it should all equal 180 degrees. Oh, yeah. We're getting it now, right? So let's add this up. 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have 10 X's right here. And we have 180 degrees right here. So what we're going to do is not subtract this time, but we're going to divide both sides by 10. That's going to give me a giant 1 here. 1 what? 1X equals, well, 180 divided by 10. Well, simply, this is the shortcut. If the zeros plot in the same place value, cross them out, and your answer is there. 18 over 1, which is the same thing as 18. 18 degrees is the value of X. So did I find all angles? Of course not. No, I didn't. So all I found was this one, right? This one is 18 degrees. But this one now is going to be 4 times 18. So now I got, what I really have is 18 plus 4 times 18 plus 5 times 18, right? That equals 180. All right, I don't need to do the whole equation since I'm only finding the measure of each angle. So separately, I can just take 4 times 18. Well, if it was a 20, that would be 80. But take away 4, that gives you 76, right? So this right here is 76. The spirit of 76. Yeah, I know I'm too old. You guys probably don't know what that is. Okay. This, if it was 20, if this 18 was 20, that would be 100. 100, take away 5, that's going to give me 95. So now we're saying that this right here, 4 times X, is 76 degrees. And this 5 times X is 95 degrees. So I should be able to add here 76 plus 95 plus 18, and that should all equal 180. So let's see if it does. 90, 100, 170, 170. Wait. 90, 100, 113. Something is wrong, huh? I wonder what's wrong. Let me pause it here for a second. I found my mistake. Did you find my mistake? Why didn't you tell me? Come on. I'm trying to do this in my head. I don't have a calculator. I left it at work. You should be helping me. All right. So I found my mistake here. This right here is a 72. And this right here is a... Oops. I already forgot. Was it a 90? Oh, where's my pencil? Right there. 72 and 90. I think that's right. So anyway, let's add these up. 90 plus 70, that's 160. And then take that 10, that's 170. And 8 and 2 is another 10. So 170 plus 10 is 180. So yes, this all equals 180. So therefore, I know that my answer of 18 is correct. And that is how you find the missing angles when they just give us the ratios of the interior angles. All right. Hey, I hope you got something out of this. And if you do, and if you did, if you did, hit the like and subscribe button. All right. And I'll see you next time on Math Quiz. Goodbye.